Think before you share a PDF. Your PDF might have hidden information like your name, the software you use, and when it was created. This is called metadata. And even if it is not visible in the document, others can still access it. To remove metadata from a PDF, open your PDF in Systweak PDF Editor. Click on the File menu at the top. Select Document Properties. Here you will see all the metadata like author name, creation date, and software used. Now go to the Secure tab. Click on Remove Metadata. A confirmation box will appear. Click on Yes. That's it. All the hidden metadata is now removed. If you want to edit metadata, just go back to Document Properties. Click on Edit Metadata. Change or add the information as needed. Click Submit to save the changes. And you're done. You can now check again to make sure the updated details are showing correctly. To download Systweak PDF Editor, click on the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button for more such useful tech tips.